morning guys, today is Saturday. Magpilo muna tayo 10 AM na dito guys sa UK. And mag-ready din ako maya-maya. At shopping tayo ngayon guys kasi wala lang kaming stock sa amin. Wala lang kaming stock na pagkain dito ni Sean. Kunti na lang. Maya-maya daanan niya ako dito. Mag-ready lang ako pagkatapos ko nito magtupi. Tatlong magagandang araw na binigay ni Mr. Sun dito sa UK. Tapos bumabalik na naman ngayon siya pag lamig. Ulan at malamig. So kailangan nakarap up tayo today guys para hindi tayo lamigin paglabas. Hindi maganda yung ating weather guys today. There's your bags. Nice stinky ass.
20% off school uniforms. Polos, trousers, jumpers, shirts. Just 4 days of in-store only. I'm off. Getting ahead? Bring it on with George. Exclusively at Asda. Offer ends 30th of June 2024. In-store only. Selected charge full price items only. Excludes footwear, socks, tights, bags, accessories and sale items. Selected Asda stores. Subject to availability.
Wala tayong pagkain sa bahay. Hindi masyado malamig kaya isang jacket lang.
Could waste over 150,000 litres of water a year and cost you loads of money.
A leaking tap and toilet could cost you over 400.
We didn't break the one that's stuck on the window.
How do I ever the vendor then. Mom. That's a nice restaurant, love.
Yeah.
Yeah. So dito na tayo. Prebiyag.
Well, don't forget the bags.
Yeah. You throw it so far away.
I got them. I got them.
Thank you. The reason guys, gusto ko dito sa Aldi kasi mas nakikita ko yung price nila dito compare dun sa malapit sa amin sa pinag-shopping namin. Napakamahal. Pumunta. First time namin dito ni Habi.
Okay, yeah.
It's our first time in here, right?
Yeah, it's our first time.
Yeah, it's our first time here in Aldi.
For the trolley, do it.
Chance, I got chance. How much?
12.
Good. Peter, the wife, always get a man. It's our first time here, guys, sa Aldi. We're going to the big... There? Diba yung cart trolley nila dito, guys, na magbabayad ka pa. Can you not get it?
Try this.
Try that.
this one.
£1?
No, yeah, you can't because you'll lose that one. But your pound will be stuck in that one.
Why mo
We'll have to go and get a trolley up here.
Kuha si Mr. ng trolley guys doon sa may mga tao pa na galing nagkuan shopping na nilagay sa kanilang car kasi ang hirap yung mga ganyan hirap kunin hindi mo makuha iwan ko bakit anong nangyari papunta na si Mr. nagkakuha ng trolley. Ha?
Didn't need it.
Oh we need to get apple for a week.
Yeah, you're chopping, not me.
We'll get lemon because I only got sugar. Yung guys, yung coconut nila dito. Pero we don't need that. Yeah. Ayan guys, kahit malista na kami, hindi namin alam kung ano yung ibang kukunin. Beans on toast. You can have it. You can have beans on toast. I'm not a fan of English food. You're gonna have it, I can get different. What about that one? 6-pack.
Lemon and strawberry.
Lemon strawberry.
Lemon. What flavours?
I want strawberry. Oh, the raspberry. I want the raspberry. Wow. What's this? Is it yours? Yellow peach? Luxury yellow.
I like that.
Tago-tago lang tayo guys, kaya bawal dito ang camera. Punta kayo maya ng Tesco guys after dito kasi ayan, bumili ng rice cake. A bear? You don't even drink? And then you asking me for a bear? Where's the shampoo here on your...
Shampoo, I won't never get shampoo from it.
Huh?
Won't get shampoo from it.
Here? From here? No, you don't get shampoo from... Okay then. Okay then.
Wine?
Come on.
Wine?
I don't know what is the good one then.
Neither do I, but
One good one. Gusto niya ng wine, pero hindi niya alam kung ano yung maganda. Hindi siya kasi ano palain. Why you don't like to drink, malam? Get toothpaste, love.
go what?
Toothpaste.
Yeah, this one.
That one. Huh? What? What is it? Moisturizer? Is it nice smell? Hindi ko alam dito yung mga moisturizer guys ba yun? Na bango-bango konti. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. You gonna wear it. Uwi na kami guys. Punta kami sa Tesco. Diyan kami kumain nila Mother Earth. Are you okay there? Tapos na yung ating uwi na tayo. Uwian na.
You got the wallet, haven't you?
Yeah, I get it.
Got the car back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Station to boot with over 1,000 cars in group stock to suit all budgets.
You get what you needed.
Sure to have the ideal car for you.
We're going to Tesco first, my love, so we don't need to go back there, okay? Or what?
Well, what do you want to do tonight?
I don't know, we got food to cook. I can cook. Dito kami kakain sa labas, guys, after ng grocery. Kain tayo, guys. Spicy rice, chicken, broccoli, and chemister din. Same kami, pero yung dish, yung sides niya is rice and salad, whatever's that. Kakarating lang namin, guys, and it's 5 o'clock. Grabe ang busog ko. Hindi na kami magluto ng hapunan kasi alas 5 na, kain lang kami kunti mamaya, guys. Tapos ito yung bumili ako ng pang mix ko. Yung kanyang snackers. Bumili ako ng bagong sponge. Bago ng shampoo. Kasi yung buhok na lang, kadandrak man siya shampoo. Tapos bumili din ako nito, guys. Oh, pang ano ko sa kamay ko ba? Salmon guy this is from Alaska na salmon. Alam naman, meron tayong dito sa isang bag na mabigat. Ang kanyang gatas. Hindi ako masyadong gumamit ng gatas. Beans. What is this? Yeah, beans. Wala. Wala ka ala of potato, no?
Oh, yeah.
I already got in from Aldi. I think used to be.
Because you're potato crazy.
You are. Tapos yung nagdugang lang kami upuan, guys, kanang sa panin? Bombay. Then bacon. Ang ating isang buong manok. Carrots. Apple. Marami na tayong pork chop. Meron tayong pork chop. Babe,
What?
what the hell is potato?
What? Yeah, you wanted mashed potatoes and you wanted baked potatoes.
Why is it different? What is the difference
Very
between
different.
the and the
The
mashed?
taste of a potato.
You better eat this oh my god, you have more potatoes than
Yeah, you keep buying potatoes. I told you.
We got 3 kinds of potatoes. What is this other one?
Alright.
Grabe ang nabili ni Mister. Sobrang dami na potatoes. Lo, ang gonna do with it?
They
My
will-
kamote.
They'll last, sweetheart.
What?
They'll last.
I know it will last, but...
You don't need to buy potatoes.
Tapos kahapon sa Tesco, guys, dumaan si Shu, may dalawa siyang nabili ng mangga. Matamis. Pero di katulad sa atin na matamis-tamis. Ito parang ano na. Mag-expire na to. I think it's already expired yesterday.
What? Yeah, it's alright.
But it's still alright.
Yeah, of course it is.
Yung kanila ganito mga prutas guys, may expiration. Pero kahit ano, okay pa man. Sarap ng strawberry. So, hindi tayo ngayon mag-ano, alis-alis. Bibili lang. Kung lang, the only one that I don't buy is, that we don't get is the garlic, the crunchy one.
Yeah.
So, yun lang yung aming hindi nabili ko today, guys. So, my darling is busy as well. Ayun guys, so dito na lang muna yung ating vlog for today kasi kailangan ko pa yan i-homepage ko pa na sa mga butangan kay ka. Ito ang kagubot. So, see you again on our next vlog. Ayusin muna natin to guys. Bye!